In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Smartsheet templates. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the right template, preview it, and create a working sheet that you can start using right away. Start by opening your browser and heading to smartsheet.com. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so you land on the home page. From here, look for the Create button. It's your starting point for building new sheets, and it's the quickest way to tap into Smartsheet's ready-made templates. Click Create, and you'll see options related to new sheets. You can choose a suggested template right away if one matches what you need, but if you want more choices, select the option to view all templates. This opens the full template gallery, which is organized into categories like project management, marketing, operations, and more. It's a great place to browse if you're not sure exactly what you want yet. Inside the gallery, you can either scroll through categories or use the search bar to narrow things down. For example, if you need a project timeline, try searching for Gantt. If you're tracking tasks or requests, search for task or intake. As you browse, click a template to open its details. This preview typically shows a description and example layout, which helps you confirm whether the columns, views, and structure match your process. Take a moment here to check for features you care about, like start and end dates, assignment columns, or built-in formulas. When you've found the one you want, click the template to open it, then choose Create from Template. Smartsheet will prompt you to name your new sheet and pick a location, like a folder or workspace. Use a clear, descriptive name so teammates can find it easily later. After you confirm, Smartsheet creates your own copy, leaving the original template intact so you can safely customize it. Your new sheet will open with example rows, columns, and sometimes helpful notes. Replace sample data with your real information, adjust column names if needed, and remove any rows that are just placeholders. If you picked something like a Gantt template, update the start dates and ensure dependencies or timelines are set correctly in project settings. Small tweaks up front make the template work exactly the way you want. That's it. You went to Smartsheet, clicked Create, explored the full gallery, selected a template, and created your own working sheet from it. Save your changes, and you're ready to collaborate. Thanks for watching, and enjoy moving faster with Smartsheet Templates 8.